Hi and welcome to Student Tracker app, an app that has been designed to enhance learner performance. So today I'll be showing you on how to download the Student Tracker app using your Huawei device. Since we know that Huawei doesn't have Android apps, so now there is a simulation of an Android app inside the Huawei phone called the Gbox. So today I'll be showing you on how to download that application, the Gbox application, so that you are able to find the application in the Play Store. So firstly, you'll open your app gallery and then you'll search Gbox. Then you click, then you see the Gbox. You'll install it. Already here it's installed. So what you do, you just open it, open Gbox and go to Play Store. Then in Play Store, you're going to go to your search panel and search Student Tracker app. Then you search it, you'll find it in a white and purplish icon. Then you're going to install it. You click install, and it will start pending your download. Then now when it's done, you're going to allow it, and then you'll open. Then you'll be greeted with this beautiful interface where you'll need to enter your student ID and your password. Student ID, which is parent contact details. But let me cut the video short here. I will show you other videos on how to log in as a parent, as a student, and as an educator. That's it for today, and good day to you all. Thanks.